In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically copy screenshots to Clipboard in Sharex. If you paste screenshots into documents, chat apps, or design tools, this setting will save you time by sending every capture straight to your clipboard the moment it's taken. No more digging through folders or dragging files around. Just capture and paste. First, launch Sharex from your desktop or start menu so it's running on your computer. If Sharex opens minimized to your system tray, simply click the Sharex icon to bring it forward. Next, make sure the Sharex main window is open. This is the central hub where you control how Sharex behaves, and it's where we'll set the clipboard behavior. Keeping the main window visible will make it easy to see the menu options we need. With the main window open, look to the left-hand sidebar and click After Capture Tasks. This section controls what Sharex does immediately after you take a screenshot. Think of it as the automatic to-do list that runs behind the scenes, copying, saving, annotating, and more. We're going to use it to tell Sharex to copy the image straight to your clipboard every time. In the After Capture Tasks list, find Copy Image to Clipboard and select it so it's clearly enabled. Depending on your version, enabled items may show a checkmark, a toggle, or appear in bold. Once this is on, Sharex will automatically place the image data into your clipboard after each capture. That means you can jump directly into your email, document, or chat and press paste. No file management required. This works with region captures, full screen captures, and other common screenshot modes. If you prefer not to create image files every time, you can optionally turn off Save Image to File in the same After Capture Tasks menu. When this is unselected, Sharex won't save a PNG or JPEG to your screenshots folder. It will just copy the image to your clipboard. This is perfect if you want to avoid clutter and keep things lightweight. If you often need both a clipboard copy and a saved file, simply leave Save Image to File enabled. Sharex can do both actions in one go. That's all you need. By launching Sharex, opening the main window, choosing After Capture Tasks, enabling Copy Image to Clipboard, and optionally disabling Save Image to File, you've streamlined your workflow. These changes take effect immediately and will stay in place for future sessions, so you can capture and paste without breaking your stride.